Normally they'll give you some words from the passage, like quickly, slowly, helpfully, fast, slow, and they'll say what kinds of words are these, and they are adverbs. Adverbs is a mashup between adjectives, so that's the beginning bit here, and verbs. And verbs are doing words. So it's a combination of the two. So an adjective, here we are, an adjective describes the noun, so the red dog, the blue pillar box, I'm getting all my colours wrong here, aren't I? The big glass, the clever child, the notorious villain. These all describe something, and the verb is a doing word. So I ran, I slept, you talked, you worked, you wrote. These are all verbs. You either doing them or you did them. So an adverb describes the verb. So I talked loudly. Adverb is loudly. I thought, so the thought is the verb, quietly. That's how I did it. So the adverb is describing the verb. Now, for the sake of 11 plus, shh, don't tell anybody I said this. They end with ly. Quickly, quietly, slowly, thoughtfully, helpfully. These are all describing how you do something. But watch out for fast and slow. The fast moving train, the slow thinking teacher. So it's probably better to remember it as an adjective for the verb. It describes the verb. See you soon.